Hey guys, this is at same crossing as the other video today. Got an NS train coming on this Friday, March 31st, 2023. Here it comes. Might be a minute. We've been waiting for this train for like an hour now, so seriously, come on. We were just about to leave to go home, so. I almost missed it. I don't miss trains that much. Well, Gab. That was Gab. I miss trains a lot. Okay, see? We could see the light from right here. I could see the light. The gates should be going down. This is a long wait, but we can see it. I just can't see. Yep, here it is. BNSF. I already see it. I like to see that. Oh, yes. No heritages. No heritage units. BNSF. 7343 and 9639. It's gonna. This is good train. Sorry for the shaking in the video. Yeah, gonna get it closer. That's great. Second or third train of the day. I'm going to say third because there's another one that we're still waiting for. Let's go, BNSF engine today. What the? Are those one containers or? If you think one containers is wrong, no, one containers is right. No, that's an open container. What the heck? That's rare. Doesn't have anything on it. Doesn't have any abbreviating or any letters on it or words. What a long train. And finally, after like an hour wait for like a couple trains, got this train. Sorry for the shaking. It's a little cold and I'm shivering, so. We might wait for that second stack train to start up, but here's the end of that wonderful train with the BNSF. Alright, have a great day. We'll see you next time.